guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very quick kind of just more of a showing you how I documented the page because I did a lot of this off camera. So this is a pocket that I made with the Hey Santa 8.5, oh sorry not 8.5, the 6x8 paper pad. I ripped them in half and then stitched them together, and then I just made a little bracing here with some eyelets, and it slips into the album like this. So what I did was, on my computer I wrote up the ingredients and the method for making the cookies that I make. These are gingerbread cookies, and I decorated them up like this, and then there's a larger photo and then a smaller close-up photo of one of the gingerbreads. So they just slip into the pocket in the front pocket. So there's a front pocket and a back pocket. I date stamped the 23rd of December on here. This is the exact day that I made this, and I found this this is from the Busy Sidewalks collection. I cut it up to an A4 sheet of paper, put it in my printer and just printed it. I think it turned out so cute. I can read it, but it's like scripty, so it still looks kind of detailed. I just really like it, and that's just going to slip into this back pocket here. Okay, I also put a number 2-3 here, but it's not completely necessary. If you really think that you would like a tutorial on how to make this, let me know and I can film it for you, but it's really simple how you do it. And then the back, I'm just going to put a sticker on there because I don't want it to be too, you know, over the top. I've just got this big Merry Christmas sticker, and I'm just going to put it in the middle, and that's going to be my day 23. I wanted it to be really simple. I wanted it to be more focused on the recipe and the photos. I didn't want it to be focused on the decoration and things. So that's day 23, so we'll just put that to the side for now and look at day 24. Day 24 is a fun one. I am documenting the wrapping paper that I used. So what I've done is I've just date stamped 24th of December onto this pink cardstock, and I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to use one of my little tabs that I made, so I'm going to glue it on. To the tab. You could just glue the tab on first, but I'm just going to glue this on now. And then I'm going to glue the tab onto the side. Push it down. I have a tab die that I got ages ago that I used to make these little tabs. You can buy those clear ones that Ali Edwards has. I think they're by Avery L. We can't get those in Australia, so I just make my own. And there we go. So what's gonna go into here? Sequins. So I'm going to pull them in and then stitch it up. So this is obviously a story of the wrapping paper that I used. When it was the 24th, you know, you're all so busy, so the stories are kind of really simplistic. So I'm just going to stitch both of these off camera with the sequence mixes in, and then come back and give you a quick close-up of these pages. I thought I would just quickly show you that I actually double-sided the wrapping paper so you can see it on both sides. And I adore this sequins mix. I think it turned out so cute. So let's pop both these pages in the album. Like I said, this was going to be a really quick video because day 25 is very long. Day 23, which is this fun little recipe documentation with the large pull-out recipe and then the photos. And then day 24 is the wrapping paper that I used this year, and it's double-sided. So stay tuned for tomorrow, which for you guys, which will be day 25, which is 1, 2, well, if we count double-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So it's probably going to be a big one, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.